been participated in many trainings so far, and what I have found, the difference is that everybody talks about paper examination. So that's what I was, when I was inquiring many organizations that I've heard that people are just reading the PPTs and the trainers are reading the PPT and all those things. So I was just looking the experience, and that's where I was inclined towards this training, and really found that was there, and learned real life examples what you have been gained so far. When I feel really that I have learned new things as I've been practicing different methodology from many years, but this was one of the awesome. It's not that we are here and that's why we are praising, but it was really a learning 2 days, which will definitely will help in our career. I would say in my career definitely it's going to help, because I'm really serious towards SAFe, and in our organization we are implementing this. Thank you. Thanks, JP.